Good morning Philippines! Nami karon sa Baugot, Talamban kay mag-trek ni sa mo ang ITS Fitness Challenge. Alright? So, ha! Once again. Good morning Philippines! And we are heading to our trekking destination sa Budlaan Falls.
Shout out to Paula, kawa ka bata.
So, kita-kita sa trail. Alright. Yo, what's up? And we are going down to Budlaan Falls. So, hina-hina kay dangog. Lapok. Alright. See you sa falls. Hello guys. Nanami sa Budlaan River. And gamay na lang kulang abot namin sa Kabang Falls. So,
And I'm so sweat.
Sweat or sweaty? Oh, ha!
Naman ko actually rin.
It's muffin time! Hey yo guys, namin sa heart-shaped waterfall of Cebu over there. Nakita ang heart? May pang waterfalls na heart. Ikaw?
Yes, adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to.
Hello guys, nanami sa Tinisik Uwang Falls here at Budlaan River. It's over there.
I like to love you.
So manaka namin guys. So asa ta mga ka?
Kabayo.
Kana?
Over there!
Kaya?
Over there!
Kaya na baki? Kaya?
Kaya mo ligid!
Kaya ulit. Woo!
Yeah. Ita.
I was wrong to chain you down. I was the clown. I'm singing this song. I see I was wrong to chain you down. I was the clown. I know now what you're all about. I've had the chance to run out. I pray for the touch of your hand.
Hey guys, let's ask our first timers kung sa ilahang na feel sa at kan kanang ilahang struggle kaganiya no. Usapan mo di.
Huli lang ko!
Okay pa? Kaon. So guys, happy naman sila. So ato silang panon pero go next time na sad. No.
I'm smoking, I smoke. I'm shooting my coat. I'm drinking, I drink. I'm heading down the break. But nothing down the thoughts of my mind. We fought and fought, but I was so blind. When you're not here, I'm just a show. Have you condemned me to this kind of hell? But are you really trying?
So guys, humana mi sa muang bouldering sa waterfalls. Nya among duha ka babae diri na unsa na? Kapoy besh. Kapoy daw. So padayon namin sa mong trek. Hey yo guys, namin sa trail going to Malubog. Malubog, lilitaw. Lulubog ang aking puso sa iyo.
We'll fall in love!
Ay! Hello guys, it's 12:50 and we are already here at Malubog and gonna take our lunch and of course very refreshing sparkle. Yo, let's drink some sparkle guys. Hello guys, humanami og lunch. Manami og lunch and then we are going to Malubog Golf Course.
Malubog Golf Course! Hi, Mark! Gusto na ko, Ma'am! Papa! Gusto ko, Mama. Nagkakasupla.
Kita-kits sa kuan guys. Sa golf course.
a sight for my soul.
So guys, namin karon sa Canarag
Lagi mo doon.
Old
Iraq, oy!
Canarag Old Golf Course, and we're just chilling like a villain. So guys, mag-play sa mga werewolf dito sa Malubog Golf Course. It's night time. Close your eyes. So guys, gipatay ko bisag villager ako.
Wait, ikaw gipatay ko!
Gipatay ko nila, so ano, patay na gitang villagers.
Uy, ha, lagi kayo mong smile ni Lao. Confidently beautiful in the heart!
Hello guys! Lingaw kayo na ganyan og werewolf nga game, pero manaman namatay naman ko, so ako moaton direct kay mag dagan-dagan ta guys! Dagan-dagan ta guys! Ah, dagan ta guys! Dagan ta agay! Okay. Akong phone! Akong phone! Naunsa mo ni? Sus, nagali. Okay na akong phone?
Okay na?
Okay naman, humasa na unsa. Hoy guys, chuyas akong phone eh. Okay na kayo, wa siya na unsa gid. Wala gid siya na unsa, walay kuan niya. Okay pa jud kayo. Di ba? See? Alright. So okay na kayo akong phone guys. Thank you very much Cap Days Philippines for this awesome armor suit. So alas 3 na guys. Padayon namin sa mong trek padulong sa Sirao Peak. Hey guys, nami sa kuan Sirao Peak, Naked Town. So after how many hours of trekking, so dun sila.
Pero gipatay man ko sa
Hello guys, going home it's already
Going home na me.
puti na mi guys, kay gabi na. So see you in the next vlog guys. I hope you like and enjoy this video. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Tangkap eh.